Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this look. It's a pink glittery look with a pink lip. I haven't really been posting videos as much because I just feel like my setup, like the background and all that, isn't the greatest, so don't mind it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, we're going to be starting off with some concealer. I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15. I just use this as a base to make my eyeshadows pop more. So yeah, I'm just putting this all over the lids and blending it out. Now we're just going to set it with some powder. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Light, I believe. I'm not sure. I will put it down in the description box below. But yeah, we're just going to be setting this concealer. Now to start off with the eyeshadow, I'm taking my Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just taking this light pink and putting it as a transition shade. I'm going to be taking this same color a few times just so that I can get it as dark as I want and blend it out as much as I want. Now I'm going to be taking my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm just taking this dark pink shade. I'm not sure what the names are because I lost the paper, but I'm just putting this all over the crease and darkening up that pink color. Taking that same Morphe palette, I'm just taking the shade next to the pink that we just used and putting it all over the crease just so that we can darken it up a little bit. Now we're just taking that same concealer that I used on the eyelids, and I'm going to be cutting the crease. I'm sorry I couldn't get a full video of me cutting my crease. It's just a little hard doing it on camera, but I'm just cutting the crease where I want to put the glitter. Excuse how dirty my hands are, but now I'm just taking my NYX Glitter Primer and taking this flat brush and putting that where we cut the crease just so that we can get it ready for the glitter. So I thought I took a video of the glitter that I was going to be using, but I guess I didn't. But I'm just taking the NYX Face and Body Glitter in the shade Rose and just putting that where we cut the crease. So now I'm just going to be using this mascara. It's from Maybelline, I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, I'm just going to be coating my eyelashes with mascara. Now I'm going to be using these cute ass lashes, and you can use my code MAYA15 for 15% off your purchase. I will have the link down below because I forgot the name of these lashes. So now for my foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade Natural Beige. And yes, I am aware that I put a lot, which is why I'm trying to blend it out as much as I can. And yes, I am still listening to music, so if you see me dancing or singing, it's because, yeah, I'm listening to music. So now to conceal the face, I'm using the same concealer that I used earlier, my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 15, and just putting that under my eyes, the cupid's bow, the nose, and on my forehead. I am just blending out the concealer that I applied on my face. Excuse the dancing and singing. I look horrible. I know. I'm so sorry. Now we're going to set the face using the same powder that I used earlier, the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light, and just applying that everywhere where we put the concealer and foundation. Okay, so here I am just wiping away the bake. So now I'm going to bronze with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the shade Natural Tan, just to give myself some color. I know it looks a little patchy right now, but I will blend it out later. For blush, I'm using the Milani Dolce Pink, I think that's what it's called. You can barely see it on the video, but it's a really pink rosy blush, and I'm just putting that all over the cheeks. So using the same pink that we used in the beginning with our BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil palette, I'm just going to be taking that shade and putting it on the lower lash line. For highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlight in Precious Petals and just putting that on the cheeks, on my forehead, the nose, Cupid's bow, inner corner of my eyes, and on the brow bone. Yes, I'm still listening to music. Okay, so I'm just wiping away the bake that I put under my contour just to make it look clean and blending it out. To set the face, I like to use the Morphe Badescu setting spray, and then I like to go in with my sponge and just blend everything all together. Now to finish off this look, I'm just going in with my Milani lip cream in the shade Precious. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I liked filming it. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video.